Hello guys, welcome to Tanaji IS Academy, and my name is Arvind Kumar and I am an educator of your quant and reasoning. So in this video I will discuss about coding and decoding, and the type is group of word. This is the most important part of coding decoding, because यहाँ से कई बार क्वेश्चन पूछे जा चुके हैं यूपीएससी के सी सेट एग्जामिनेशन में। और जो अभी यहाँ पे हमारे पास रनिंग एग्जाम है, इट मीन्स जो 4 अक्टूबर को है यूपीएससी सी सेट का एग्जामिनेशन, उसके लिए ये काफ़ी यूज़फुल होगा। तो मान के चलिएगा आपके लिए क्या है, ये 2.5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन बनेगा। क्लियर? तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं। And this is brief introduction about me. My name is Arvind, and I'm an advocate of your quant and reasoning, and this is my qualification, and this is my teaching experience. I have a 3-year teaching experience, and this is my qualified exam: IBPS, RRB, PU, LIC, ATU, and the LIC assistant. Let's start. First of all, I will discuss about the concept, what is the behind these questions. First of all, you generally have a statement like this: you are good is coded as means or means you are good means 1 2 and 3। अब देखो यहाँ पे नंबर के अलावा यहाँ पर आपको लेटर्स भी दिए जा सकते हैं। नंबर के अलावा लेटर्स भी दिए जा सकते हैं। एंड द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज गुड आर he means 2 3 4, and the third one statement is she good means the coding is 5 6 and 2. So you have a 3 statement with coding. You have to find the coding for you and R and good and many more, and is and she. देखो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो गिवन स्टेटमेंट हैं उनके बिहाफ पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे जितने भी वर्ड्स लेटर दिए गए हैं तो क्या होगा, हम उन सब की कोडिंग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। तो कोडिंग फाइंड आउट करने का तरीका क्या होगा, ये जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट है एंड द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट एंड द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट, we have to find the common word. It means this is the left portion and this is the right portion. So you have to find the common word between sentence 1 and 2. तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे कॉमन देखेंगे। कॉमन हमें क्या मिला, गुड एंड द अनदर वन इज आर एंड आर। सो you have this coding for good and r in this first sentence and in this second sentence, and the similar this 2 and the 3 is and 3। तो आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व करा, यहाँ पे देखो यू आपके लिए क्या है, आर और गुड। तो यहाँ पे जो कोडिंग है 2 और 3 वो आर और गुड के लिए हो जाएगी, सेम हो जाएगी। इट मीन्स यहाँ से जो ये 4 बचा है वो 4 जो कोडिंग है वो हो जाएगी ही के लिए। अगर हमसे ही की कोडिंग पूछी जाती है तो उसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, 4। और यहाँ पे क्या बचा है, यहाँ पे मैंने इसको इस तरीके से ड्रॉ करा, यहाँ पे यू की जो कोडिंग है वो हो जाएगी 1, तो यहाँ पे हमने लिखा यू की कोडिंग क्या हो गया है, 1 हो गया है। एंड बट यू हैव ए आर एंड गुड, बट द कोडिंग इज 2 and 3। ठीक है, you can't judge that the 2 is the coding for r and the 3 is the coding for good, or 2 is the coding for good or 3 is the coding for r। you have the one more statement or data। if you find the in the third statement good is here and the good is here, so again 2 is here, it means it confirms that the 2 is the coding for good. 2 is the coding for good and the 3 is the coding for R. And now you have a clear answer. Then R is 3 and the good is 2. So you have find U, R and good, and I also find for he. The remaining is and सी. What to do now? इज और शी जो है यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पे आपके पास 5 और 6 ये अकेला बचा हुआ है. इज और शी के लिए जो कोडिंग है वो 5 और 6 है. ये तो हमें कंफर्म है कि इज और शी के लिए जो कोडिंग है 5 एंड 6 ये है. बट सिमिलर लाइक दिस we don't have a certain answer. We don't have a certain answer for this is or she. So if we write the answer for she is either 5 और 6, या तो 5 होगा आंसर या 6 होगा. अगर हमसे इसके लिए कोड पूछा जाता है तो हमारा जो आंसर होगा या तो 5 होगा या 6 होगा. और सेम लाइक शी के लिए अगर पूछा जाता है तो हमारे लिए आंसर 5 या 6 होगा. इफ यू डोंट हैव फाइंड द ऑप्शन आइदर यू कैन ऑप्ट कांट बी डिटरमाइन. इट मीन्स ये सर्टेन आंसर नहीं होगा, मतलब हमारे पास डेटा नहीं है इसका आंसर सॉलिड करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो ये इस टाइप का कंसेप्ट है और इस पर बेस हम क्या करने वाले हैं, क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं. तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चंस. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज TOMKUNSUD. अब here is the equal sign, for the replacement of means. And the coding is dogs are barking, and the second statement is KUNJO and MOP, means it means here is the equal sign, dogs are horses. And the third one is MUT TOM and KO means it means equal sign, donkeys are mad. So you have to find the coding for barking. If we have to find the coding for barking, we have to mark the barking, and here is the barking in the statement 1. Here is the barking, and the remaining words are dogs and are. So if we see, and the dogs are similar in the statement 1 and 2. In the statement 1 and 2, coding for the dogs is KUN and KUN, because KUN in the statement 1 and 2, and remaining is R, and the R, if we find the coding for R in the statement first and third, you can clearly see in the statement first and third R is here and the R is here. So in the statement first and the statement third, which is Tom is a similar, and the Tom coding for R is Tom, and the coding for dogs is KUN. And here is the barking is alone in the statement first. SUD in the all coding, are alone. This is the answer for this question. Answer for the barking is SUD. Clear? If you have any problem, please comment me. Okay, I will reply. The next question is PUT TIR and FIN equals delicious juicy fruit, and the second one is TIE tie DIP dip SIG equals beautiful white lily, and the third one is SIGLON FIN equal lily and fruit. We have to find the answer for and. I observe the and in the statement 3, and is the statement 3, and here is the alone, in the whole sentence, in the 1, 2 and 3, in the whole sentences, and is alone. The coding of the and in only statement 3, and the statement 3 have a coding SIG and LON and FIN. It means nota is not the answer. It's not the answer, because the answer of the and is LON or SIG or FIN. We have to find the lily and fruits code, and we have see the fruit and the fruit statement 1 and statement 3 are same, and the coding for the fruit is FIN. Coding in the fruit is FIN. Here is the FIN and the FIN. FIN is removed. FIN is removed because FIN is coding for the fruit. And the fruit is cancelled, and the left is lily. If we see the statement 2 and statement 3, statement 2 and statement 3, we have find the lily, and the second and the third statement, SIG and the SIG are same. SIG and the SIG are same. If SIG and SIG are same, it means the code for the lily is SIG. It means SIG is also removed. SIG is also removed. Here you have only A option, which is LON. It means that here is a code for AND. The correct answer for the AND is option number A. Option number A is the correct answer for this question. Next question is MOKDANSIL equals niece big house. FITKONDAN equals house is good. Warn TIR fit means cost is high. You have find the answer for good. First of all, we have target the good word. Good word is here. Good word is, this is the good word. And extra word is house and is. If we can find the code of house, because house in statement 1 and statement 2 is present. So the coding for the house is DAN and the DAN. It means in the option DAN can removed. DAN is removed because this is the coding for house. So okay. So option number B is removed. The remaining is. Remaining is. The code for is in statement 2 and statement 3. What is the common? The common is FIT. The common is FIT, and here is the FIT. FIT and the FIT in the statement 2 and 3. It means the coding for the is. The coding for is the FIT. It means FIT is also removed because this is the coding for is. And the good only present in the sentence 2. The coding for the good is only present in sentence 2. Fit is coding for is. DAN coding is for house. The remaining is KON, con. The remaining is KON. It means CON. Option number D is the correct answer for this question. Option number D is the correct answer. Clear? The next question is Mink Yang Pei. It means this is the code for fruits are ripe. P Lao Mei Mink. This is the coding for the oranges are not ripe. May P New Mink, and this is the coding for mangoes are not ripe. We have to find the coding for mangoes. If we have to find the coding for mangoes, we have to target first word is mango. And the are not ripe, you can clearly say in the first site. In the statement 2 and the statement 3, are not ripe and the are not ripe are similar. If are not ripe are similar in the statement 2 and the statement 3, in the coding for this, the coding for are not ripe also the same in the statement 2 and the statement 3. PE, it means PE, and MAY and the MAY and the Ming is Ming. Cancel. And the remaining is mango, and the remaining is mango. It means the NUE is the coding for the mangoes. This is the 2 or 3 second answer. 2 or 3 second answer. If you understand the all concept for this coding, you can answer within 2 or 3 seconds. Clear? The next question is PRENATBIS is coding for smoking is harmful, and the second statement is VOGDORNAT and the coding for avoid, harmful and habit, and the third statement is DORBISYEL, the coding for this please avoid smoking, and we have to find the coding for the habit. First of all we have to target the habit. ठीक है, this is our target, and the extra is avoid and harmful. If you see avoid in the statement 2 and statement 3, the coding for the avoid statement 2 and 3 are also same. It means DOR or DOR and the DOR, the coding for avoid, the coding for avoid, and the extra one is harmful, and the extra one is harmful. It means the harmful one and the statement 2 is present. So in the statement 1 and the statement 2 have the same coding for the harmful. It means BIS and NAT. Sorry, NAT is the coding for the harmful. NAT is the coding for the harmful. Habit, it means VOG. It means VOG is your answer for habit. VOG is your answer for habit. It means the option number A is the correct answer for this questions. The next question is CINTO, Sinto, Bauli, TSI and ZRO. It is the coding for her village is Sururpur. And the next one is in the statement 1 and the statement 2 and the statement 3. And this is the coding we have to find. Literature. So we have to target the literature. Literature is present in the statement number 3. In statement number 3, and the extra with the literature is collection is her hobby. It means if we find the coding for collection is her hobby, the only literature will left. So we can observe the answer. But you can see in the statement 2 and the statement 3 literature is present. If literature in the statement 2 and statement 3 is common, it means that in the statement 2 and the statement 3 have the coding for the literature. It means ONICD is the same, OIND and the OIND is the same. The answer is OIND. The answer is OIND. The coding for the literature is OIND. Clear? The next question is DOM, PUL and TE, coding for bring hot food, and the second statement is PUL TIR SOP is the coding for food is good, and the third one is TAKDASOP is the coding for good bright boy, and we have to find the coding for the hot. First of all we have to observe the hot, and the hot, where is the hot? There is a hot. Here is a hot. तो हम क्या करेंगे, ब्रिंग और फूड के लिए कोडिंग फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ब्रिंग और फूड के लिए अगर मैं कोडिंग देखूंगा तो फूड की कोडिंग तो मैं यहां से उठा दूंगा फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड से फूड की कोडिंग आ जाएगी. क्या? PUL and the remaining is DOM and the remaining is TA, but the remaining is here bring and the remaining is hot, but you don't have another bring, so you can't find the coding for hot. You can't find the answer is can't be defined. The answer is can't be defined. Okay, clear? And this is the most important question because you will confuse with the nota and the can't be defined, and the nota means none of these above. None of these above. Clear? Next question is SKI RPS TRI means nice Sunday morning. THE STI RPS means every Tuesday morning. SKI PTR QLM means nice market place. And we have to find the coding for the Sunday. And we have to target the Sunday, and here is a Sunday, and extra is morning. And if you see the morning in the statement 1 and the statement 2, the coding for the morning is THIS RPS is the same in the statement 1 and 2, and the extra one is nice, the nice in the statement first and 3, so in the statement first and 3, which is what is similar, SKI and the SKI is similar. It means SKI is coding for the nice. The remaining is TRI because we have to find the coding for Sunday. It means TRI. So TRI is the correct answer for this question. Clear? The next question, PIC, VIC, NIC means winter is cold. TONICRE, summer is hot. REPIC, BOO, winter is summer. VIC, THOPA, nights are cold. So we have to find the coding for nights. First of all, we have to target the night, and the night in the statement 4. Night is present in the statement 4, and the extra word is R and cold, and the cold is in the statement 1 and the statement 4. So the coding for the cold is in the statement 1 and the statement 4, which is VIC. The coding for the cold is VIC, and the extra one is R. But R is not present in any of 3 sentences. So we can answer. It means THO or PA can be answer for the nights. So we can answer the THO or PA. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था स्टार्टिंग कंसेप्ट वाले में कि हम आइदर को ऑप्ट करते हैं, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, आइदर को ऑप्ट करेंगे. वी कैन ऑप्ट द आइदर ऑप्शन, आइदर THO और PA. सो इट इज द क्लियर आंसर. इफ वी डोंट हैव द आइदर ऑप्शन, तो you have a can't option or can't be determined option, and if you don't have a can't be determined, उस केस में you have a only data insufficient option. So you can opt this option. Clear? The next question is SBM STD BRO PUS means the cat is beautiful. TNH PUS DIM STD means the dog is brown. PUS DIM BRO CUS means the dog has cat, and we have to find the coding for the has. So first of all, we have to target the has, and the has in the statement 4. The dog, it means the is similar in the all the 3 statement, and the dog is here. It means STD it bro ye PUS. So the PUS is the coding for the THE, and the coding for the dog is DIM and DIM. Here is the present. And the cat in the statement first and in the statement last, BRO and the BRO. The remaining is CUS and the remaining is has. It means the has a coding of CUS. The option number D is the correct answer for this question. The next question is POKITOPME. Usha is playing cards. The second statement is KOPJAKIMA means Asha is playing tennis. KITOPSOPTO, they are playing football. POSURKOP, cards and tennis, and you have to find the answer for the answer. और इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप खुद से करेंगे और खुद से इसका आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे कि व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस वर्ड आशा. क्लियर? एंड इन द लास्ट, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस हेल्प अस टू बिल्ड ए गुड हैबिट. आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे क्वेश्चंस की, उतनी आपकी एक अच्छी आदतें बनेगी. ठीक है, इसलिए कहा जाता है कि रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करिएगा, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई भी दिक्कत होती है, आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे एंड आई विल रिजॉल्व योर प्रॉब्लम. ओके, क्लियर? तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही. मिलते हैं फिर अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.